in the vast, uncharted expanse of the universe, where celestial bodies dance in an eternal ballet, and where galaxies are born and die in the blink of a cosmic eye, there exists a phenomenon that has intrigued and puzzled our kind since the dawn of time: the enigmatic and elusive alien abduction, a phenomenon shrouded in mystery, sprinkled with fear, and peppered with a dash of the unknown. Imagine for a moment a quiet evening under a starlit sky. The air, serene and tranquil, is suddenly shattered by an eerie silence, a silence that is paradoxically deafening. This marks the first step of the alien abduction process: the arrival. Unidentified flying objects, or UFOs as they are more commonly referred to, make their presence known, often accompanied by unexplained lights in the sky or a sudden shift in the environmental conditions. The second stage of this peculiar event is the immobilization. It's as if time freezes, trapping the soon-to-be abducted individual in a temporal stasis. Reports suggest feelings of paralysis, a sense of being drawn towards the UFO, or even a sudden blanking of the mind. Following this, we delve into the third stage, the transportation. Those who have claimed to undergo this experience often recount being levitated, drawn up into the UFO by a beam of light, or simply finding themselves suddenly inside the craft with no recollection of how they got there. Once inside the alien spacecraft, the examination phase begins. This is the fourth step in the abduction process. The individuals often describe undergoing physical examinations, sometimes invasive, conducted by beings of extraterrestrial origin. These examinations often leave the individuals with peculiar marks or implants that are discovered later. The fifth step brings us to the communication. Abductees have reported receiving messages or information from their abductors. These messages range widely in content and form, from telepathic conversations to complex visual symbols. Finally, we arrive at the last stage, the return. The abducted individuals are returned back to Earth, often with fragmented memories or missing time. Some report feelings of disorientation, while others experience a strange sense of calm or enlightenment. So, to summarize, the 6 stages of an alien abduction are the arrival of the UFO, the immobilization of the individual, the transportation to the spacecraft, the examination by the extraterrestrial beings, the communication with the abductors, and finally, the return to Earth. This process, as bizarre as it may sound, is a narrative that has been reported by numerous individuals across the globe. It challenges our understanding of reality and raises questions about our place in the universe. But remember, in the grand cosmic scheme of things, we are but a speck of dust on the lens of the universe, ever susceptible to the whims of those who might be watching from the shadows of the cosmos.